as I can see it on my face. It is 6:30 in the morning here. We are heading to the ferry for we can go to our next destination, which is what's the name of it again? I'm so tired. What's the name? Mykonos. 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 What is it? I'm recording.
Oh, I have music in.
Oh.
What is going on?
Girl,
Like
so,
trying to look, not look. She looking at you.
We so tired. We can't
happened
do
with you? What's
Mykonos,
the
right? Mykonos.
Mykonos.
Y'all heard her. Girl, Mykonos. I'm so tired. But
Wait. Mykonos. Sorry. Mykonos.
so we will say that right here. Okay, that's what me and Kia was saying.
Yeah,
Okay.
what's that?
Huh? We was.
Yes, it was. Mykonos.
Oh.
What is that?
Mykonos.
Mykonos.
Anyway, we're going to Mimi Land. I'm tired. Yeah, it's really, yeah.
I love me.
This time really got us bugging, like we not sleeping right now, right? But, so, I come back when we on the ferry. Alright, later. Hey y'all, so we on the ferry. We've been on the ferry for a few hours.
For a few hours since 7 a.m.
And now it's 12.
11? 11ish?
Yeah, something like that. And we supposed to have been there, what, 12, 12:30?
12:30.
Yep. So we on our way.
Yes.
I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yo, Greece hotels are so different and so unique. This is when we first come in. We got a closet there. Yeah. It's so like, we got the beds, and then we have a vanity set. TV is little, but we're not watching TV. And then we have our little balcony right here. So we have a double bed. One is like a twin, and the other's a full, but we don't care about that. And then, this is the bathroom. What? The sink, little soaps, the toilet, and our little shower. I like we got a rain head, and then we have the wand. But yeah, this is it. Hey y'all! Oh, you got that music going on. Huh? Oh, I'll turn it off. How you turn the light off from here? Hold on. Hey y'all, we getting ready. This is my little outfit. I never got my bathing suit covered up, so I'm just using a skirt that matches my bathing suit. And we all coordinating, because I got this color on and Ashley got on this color. Yeah, so y'all see how we doing that?
We match.
And Kia got on white, and Jennifer got on bright orange and white.
Neon too.
Yeah, green, and we just coordinating some kind of way. Y'all see pictures. But this is us. We ain't gonna tell y'all what we got our outfits from, because we really don't freaking know. We was ordering from everybody. So the little mix of Shein, Fashion Nova, Boohoo, Forever 21, right? That's a mix of
a little bit of Fashion Nova.
Right, I said Fashion Nova.
Oh, okay, all right.
And these glasses, I got this from America's Best. I used to work there, and they was $69, and I got them for $24.
They're nice.
Yeah.
Those are prescription?
No, I got all my contacts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. So my glasses match our outfits too. You see, hot pink, yellow, mirror, sunglasses. Boom. You want to see me, baby? See me through my mirrors? What? You talking to me? Me? Oh.
Yes, you, girl.
Oh, excuse me. Titties everywhere.